probably need to be a repay. I mean, they just keep patching, but you know, you never know when you stumble upon a pothole or so. Like, ooh, exactly what I'm talking about. All right, here it is the next day. We're taking the Type R, guys. Finally get into this car again. So let's get started. All right, hope my voice is coming in clearly. Let's get the garage open. Yes, it starts. Battery is charged. I charged it overnight.
X band, K band, KA band, laser.
Might be having a little bit of drizzle. That's okay.
Please depress the brake pedal to release the parking brake.
It happens to me every time. It's raining. It feels great to be in manual again. It really does. This road, there's some potholes that have popped up recently, so I gotta be sure to avoid those. Hope the audio, like I said, hope the audio is good. Hope everybody can hear me in here. So there's more potholes up here. We had so much rain lately that the roads are just falling apart at this point. Some of these older roads that probably need to be repaved. I mean, they just keep patching, but you know, you never know when you stumble upon a pothole or so. Like, ooh, exactly what I'm talking about. That was a hard hit. Another pothole. Man, gotta find a way to pull over. Looks like fire truck or EMS is coming out here. Oh, missed that one. I can pull up in this area here. Yeah, you have a wider area if we get up in this area. Let's put a stop here. Oh, he's turning. That pothole, I don't know if the camera even picked it up, but it sounded hard. Yes, it did. I wonder if this camera's picking up more road noise. I probably should get a mic or a media mod for this thing too. You know, see the quality on it. Now when I vlog, I do like the fact that, you know, I can just use my mount for the GoPro in the window while I drive, and I have to worry about holding a camera, and then switch back over to my my selfie stick. Sport mode. ramp. Let's have some fun up here. Second gear. I felt like I could have went faster than that. Let's go to +R, and here we go.